Hello, I'm Nathaniel at Craft Unique. I'm going to show you the new touchscreen updates with the firmware. This is not a tutorial, it's just a little demonstration. We are going to print with USB. We're going to plug it in there and you'll see it light up. There it goes. First I'm going to show you temperatures. Right now we have the extruder and the bed disengaged, and we're going to switch the type of filament. There's some default settings for ABS, PLA, and PET. We're going to go to our user settings. We can change the temperature of the extruder up and down, and also we can change the temperature of the bed. But for now, we're just going to go with the PLA default, and if you see this extruder option, the hot end is lit up here. That means that it's starting to heat in the bed. And if you look, the number will rise eventually. There it goes, starting to go up in temperature. So while that heats up, I'll show you the other options. We're going to go into settings, and at this point you can pick the level of the bed here. You go through the options one at a time. We're not going to do that now, because it takes time. You can also change the fan or the lighting. There you go. And the interior lighting goes up and down. We can go back. Okay, the axes. You can home in by clicking here, or it automatically goes there. Individually on the x-axis, the y-axis, and if you look underneath, I will home in on the Z. Or you can do all three of them at once. This button here will disengage the motors. You see they turn black. When they're engaged, they're white. And at this point you can remove it, you can move it around by hand. We're going to go back in. We're going to re-home in on the XYZ axis. And I'll show you this option. You can actually move things around yourself. Go back in, home in. And at this point, we'll see what the temperature is looking like. This is looking pretty good to print. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to extrude. This will feed the gear. You'll either feed the filament in by the gear or reverse it. What we want to do is come down here. We want to extrude. You can see that we are extruding, and it did come out. So at this point we can print. It's hot enough. We just need to pick what we want to print. On this USB there's only one file. It's already selected, the twisted bottle, and everything's good. We're ready to print. Let's see what happens here. You can see it from below. There we go. Now we are printing the twisted bottle. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll get this updated. We'll get the update out with the new firmware and the new version of CraftBot's as soon as we can. Thank you. Bye bye.